Our main objective here at Mwabvi Reserve is to protect this pristine wilderness. This is done by careful monitoring of what takes place within the reserve. Things like clients, guests coming into the reserve, dropping papers, pollution, dust pollution alongside existing roads, as well as overgrazing of game within the reserve. A careful balance needs to be created between development and ecotourism development. On a regular basis, staff will drive down the road, and if one week they pick up one piece of paper, it's okay. If they start picking up 3 or 4 pieces of paper, it's a problem. Choking of plants because of dust settling on the leaves does create stunted growth of that specific plant, and photosynthesis can't take place. So it is important to monitor how much dust is actually being settled on the plants. Noise pollution is another aspect. Vehicles with too noisy engines also create a problem as far as the game is concerned. Overgrazing needs to be monitored. This is a slightly more sophisticated means of research. Their sections within the reserve are cordoned off, and grass species and plant species are identified. They are monitored on a regular basis, both in summer season and in winter season, to monitor what damage is being created by the game, either from overgrazing or from undergrazing. If there are not enough species grazing grass within the reserve, then the grass is allowed to grow to extraordinary sizes, which can be detrimental to the reserve because this stimulates fires later on in the season. If overgrazing takes place, it also creates a problem because there are no roots holding the soil together, which creates soil erosion. So a fine balance needs to be created between these two aspects.